Hello guys, how are you? How's everything? I hope everyone is doing fine. Welcome back to the 10FX Trading Academy. I hope you guys are everyone is fine. We are gonna be trading live session New York, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe करें चैनल पे and like the video. अगर आपको अच्छी लगे तो जो भी अभी लाइव सेशन में आ रहे हैं प्लीज ज्वाइन and those who are
Bro,
not in the live session they can see the recorded video. Yes, Amir.
फेसबुक पर लाइव नहीं गए हम लोग अभी तक, आई गेस.
We'll wait for a minute or two to see if you're live on Facebook as well or not. Well, while we go live to Facebook and other platforms, this is Cat JPY. I took this trade at 6. शाम 6 बजे हमने ट्रेड ली है और अभी हो रहे हैं almost 1 hour 20 minutes. It's been 1.5 घंटा हुआ अभी ट्रेड लिया है. So let's see. We're gonna be waiting for a few minutes and then we're gonna continue the session. We are watching and waiting for this system break, retest and continuation, or this short this USD, also USD. USD, we are watching and waiting. Yes, sir.
Yep.
Are we live or not?
नो, यूट्यूब पे हैं हम लोग सिर्फ अभी तक.
Let's see.
अभी पे नहीं हुआ.
So this is going on for Cat JPY. This is going on for Cat JPY. Let's see what else is gonna happen. अच्छा मैं ये कि I'm also seeing मैं यूरो येन भी देख रहा हूँ. So let's see what happens. This is the system break, retest and continuation, or this simple short is USD, USD. We are watching and waiting for this is the system break, retest and continuation, or this simple short is USD, USD. We are watching and waiting for this is the system break, retest and continuation, or this simple short is USD, USD. We are watching and
guys.
Yup.
That gentleman is showing a good momentum right now. And
Mm-hmm.
let's see what it brings for us. Today we are not gonna have a very long session. We're just gonna have a session for like 30 minutes because मुझे कुछ काम है, so we're not gonna have this session long. But tomorrow we'll continue the session as previous session हमने continue किया था. और कल से हम ये try करेंगे कि हम ये session थोड़ा सा long करें. At least take it for like 2 hours. Because I do trade US sessions, New York session, but London session में ये होता है कि काफ़ी euros and pounds के ऊपर काफ़ी अच्छी मूव हो रहे हैं. तो I would say कि keep your eyes active, keep active on London session as well. As I took this trade on London session, it is going well so far. और maybe हो सकता है कि I might add some new positions, maybe, not sure. Because this structure is going good. And I've taken one more sells on Euro Yen. Here it is. So simple. It's not something very hard. Let me explain you the overall thought process behind it. So this was a 4-hour key level over here. 4-hour key level, breakout, break in, break back in, very strong bearish pressure over here, break back in, come back over here, retest it, kind of a fake out, the market may fake out, create a breakout होने का, and then again break back in. And after breaking back in, this was a very structure जो last time market ने break किया था. And I see the structure is broken so far, if you see. और फिर एक retest आया on 30 minutes time frame, and then on 15 minutes time frame I executed this trade after rejecting this correction. अगर आप ये देखेंगे 1 घंटे की trend line थी basically, not focusing on trend line but you know kind of a break wall here, like an overall the structure is bearish right now. So this is the key reason I took trade on this one as well. Let's see what happens. And catch JPY is going on. So catch JPY के version हमारा risk reward is very basic. It's 2.4 right now as well, which I always जो हमेशा मैं target करता हूँ, and I always train my students and everyone to always target at least 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. So reason इधर trade करने की भी बड़ी simple reason है. This was a clear structure over here. This was even a clear structure. अगर if we draw 2 structure here, one is this and the other one, the back side is this one. Okay, so ये दोनों structure break out one, and we were looking out for a retest over on this zone, maybe here, but unfortunately एक अच्छा zone या अच्छी कोई rejection मुझे यहाँ से नहीं मिली. Sam, if you see on the 30-minute time frame,
Yes.
so you see this gap यहाँ पर there is not so strong, there are rejections, लेकिन कोई bearish candle कोई form नहीं हुई हमारे लिए बहुत ही अच्छी. अच्छा, if we see over here on the 15-minute time frame, so this is confusing actually. On the 15-minute time frame, this is actually confusing. In what sense? कैसे देखें? कि अगर हम 15-minute time frame पे देखेंगे, you see this is a very strong level. Okay, came back here, retest one, retest again. So this is a double top pattern form here.
Yup.
सही है. So on the double top pattern, what we learned is that we see a double top pattern, we have confluences we can take this. So according to that, अगर हम यहाँ पर trade ले लें, this was a loss, but I would say this was a good
double
trade.
top zone में भी था.
हाँ, so I would say this was a good trade. Even if you guys took losses here, this is still a good trade. I'm not gonna say that this is not a good trade. This is a good trade. But only thing that you can keep in mind is this, which to add confluence, जो मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि हमेशा add multiple confluence in your single trade. Do not just कि एक आपको trade setup मिल गया and you start just taking trades on it. Don't do that. Take a setup which has more confluences as comparable कोई और trade setup से. ठीक है? So this is one of the best thing that you guys can do. अगर इधर हम confluence की बात करें, over here, we see this trend line is forming up. Lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low. Keep on higher highs, higher low on the smaller time frame. Higher highs, higher low. So first thing, the brick wall जो थी वो यहाँ से break नहीं हुई थी first of all, ठीक है? So the brick wall was not violated, and this is, I would say, or maybe this is our the last structure. तो अगर हम मे बी यहाँ पर भी ट्रेड लेते हैं, स्टिल इट वाज नॉट अ गुड ट्रेड, ये भी लॉस हुआ था. अगर हम इस पॉइंट से देखें, दिस आई वुड से इज द लास्ट स्ट्रक्चर. सो फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, अगर हम इस बात को ऐसे समझ लें कि अगर आपने यहाँ ट्रेड करनी थी, यू शुड बी वेटिंग फॉर, अगर लेट्स अगर आप इस डबल टॉप के ऊपर वेट कर रहे थे, मे बी यू आर ट्रेडिंग दिस डबल टॉप पैटर्न, यू शुड हैव वेटेड फॉर ब्रेकआउट ऑफ दिस स्ट्रक्चर एज वेल for much better influence. Same over here. अगर आपको यहाँ पे ट्रेड करनी थी, wait for this structure to violate first. Not this structure. So wait for this structure to be violated first, then you can take another trade. ठीक है? इधर आप तब trades ले सकते हैं. अच्छा, इधर the reason I took this trade simply, ठीक है, एक zone यहाँ पे बना. This was the actual zone. You can count on. The market was not breaking out. Let me show this for you guys and give you a very clear idea. So this was the higher highs market formed. ठीक है? So this is the higher high जो market ने यहाँ पे form किया, higher low and then higher high again. सही है? लेकिन ये higher high इतना strong बन नहीं सकता क्योंकि market came up above higher high and then break back. The 30-minute time frame, you see very clearly कि यहाँ इस zone का breakout हुआ, break back. This is a fake out. Okay? This is a fake out. कि market इस zone से ऊपर नहीं जा सकता. ठीक है? See again, market is not trying to. यहाँ पे आप देखें कि overall the direction is not going up. The momentum is not there. Market is just trying to, rejections यहाँ पे काफी ज़्यादा आ रही थी. And then when you see this candle closing below over here, what I was waiting, जिस बात को मैंने ट्रेड किया, I see this trade, this candle, तो on 30 minute, कि 30 minute के ऊपर जब ये candle यहाँ पे वापस गई है, rejected this area again and come back again, very bearish, very good pressure over here. So this was the main reason when I saw कि यार overall जो pressure है market का वो change होता जा रहा है, ठीक है? So this was the last zone market created. And this is the last zone जहाँ से issue है. So this was actually my entry के market ने यहाँ पे breakout किया था, break back and किया था, retest already, and this was a neutral candle. After this one, this was a neutral candle. You see a very good pattern over here as well. This is the double top pattern first of all. Secondly, evening star. I'm not saying कि आप इसके patterns को या candles को आप remind करो तो आपकी trading अच्छी हो, लेकिन नहीं. बस ये कुछ patterns हैं जो हमने follow किए हैं, ठीक है, different conditions के ऊपर ये patterns follow हुए थे, और obviously the higher time frame influence was much better because अगर आप 1 hour time frame के ऊपर देखोगे, you see the scale 1, 2, 3, 4. So बिल 4 hours over here, 4 घंटे से यहाँ पे market कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं शो कर रही, ठीक है, फ्रॉम लास्ट 4 आवर्स. अब सी यही चीज़ थोड़ी सी अब आपको डिफाइन इधर हो जाएंगी कि अगर आप यहाँ देखें व्हाई दिस, इवन तो कि यहाँ पे 15 मिनट में डबल टॉप 2 बार बना है, बट स्टिल इट वाजंट सक्सेसफुल ट्रेड. रीजन, दिस इज द ओनली रीजन, हायर टाइम फ्रेम इन्फ्लुएंस, बिकॉज ऑन 15 मिनट देयर माइट बी अ डबल टॉप, सिंगल टॉप, व्हाटएवर, लेकिन मार्केट ने कुछ खास रिजेक्ट करने के बाद स्टिल इट्स बुलिश 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 अल्टर एनालिस्ट के मार्केट यहाँ पर जब आई है, then you see कि market is, अब जो momentum है market के यहाँ से which is going low over here, you see कि यहाँ से market अब कुछ ज़्यादा push up नहीं कर पा रही, 1, 2, 3, 4, ठीक है. We go to the 4 hour time zone, और जब आप 4 hour time zone में देखोगे, you see this very clear trend, यहाँ से rejections आई थी, you see this 4 hour candle के ऊपर काफ़ी अच्छी rejection आई है यहाँ पे, and then afterwards if you see this 4 hour candle and उसके बाद आपको एक काफ़ी आइडिया था कि when it starts rejecting from this point, ये वो पॉइंट था 4 आवर में when it starts rejecting. यहाँ पे 4 आवर कैंडल क्लोज हुई and then this candle open up again. तो keep in mind higher time frame influence हमेशा ऐड करें, और example let's say this is already set in break even this trade, but you see this कि अगर ये trade let's say 1 to 1 भी hit होती है, I always advise कि if it touches your 1 to 1, इसको आप स्केल डाउन, इसका ब्रेक इवन आप सेट कर दो ओवर हियर, लाइक दिस इज योर ब्रेक इवन, कि अगर ये इन केस अगर ये ट्रेड वापस भी आपको कम बैक टू योर लॉस, एटलीस्ट आप लॉस के रेशियो में जाओगे, यू जस्ट हैव दिस ब्रेक इवन एंड गेट आउट ऑफ द मार्केट, राइट? सिंपल. Sam, any questions? Sam, you there? Maybe Sam is not here. Let's continue. So AUD USD, AUD USD के ऊपर जो analysis हमने मैंने की है, this is from me it's a very clear bullish direction. I'm not gonna be going for any sells over here, even though I marked it. That I will sell, लेकिन conditions यहाँ पे नहीं होंगी. All I'm looking for is a buy. इस area का market breakout करें, retest करें, and then we fly back again. सही है? Euro USD, same thing going on. Overall, the direction for me for Euro USD is bearish, and the 4-hour time frame is bearish. Market channel के अंदर अगर आप देखें तो it's a channel going on where the market is moving in a channel again and again. So what I'm going to be looking for over in this channel, कि either market touches this channel, show me some good reaction, and then maybe I'll just see what to do. Maybe I'll take some action. But as for now, Euro USD is not for me, I would say. GBP CAD, I think missed it. This is a very good level here. Yep. This is a very good level here. Sir. So I think we missed it. I think that's one. It happens. Yeah. So simple analysis was this, कि हमारे analysis यही थे. Break out of structure, come back, show us some signs of rate rejections and everything, and then we see a very downfall. So इधर भी अगर हम देखें on the 30-minute time frame, we see a double top forming up over in the zone. ठीक है? We see a double top pattern forming up in the zone. Yes. तो ये zone था. से कि हमने ये ट्रेड तो आई गेस मिस कर दी है फॉर टाइम में. लेट्स सी समथिंग एल्स. GBP CAD, I'll wait for GBP CAD के maybe या तो ये स्ट्रक्चर का ब्रेकआउट करे, or maybe just break out of this structure, come back again, same thing, breakout, retest some good pattern maybe, and then fly back. Euro GBP is very messy right now. Okay. Not sure about GBP or Euro GBP right now because I don't see any clear direction, although it's going up. But I don't know. अभी कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा क्योंकि ये बहुत अजीब चल रहा है. Yep. This is consolidation kind of zone going on. क्योंकि यहाँ से breakout or breakback होना है, this I don't think so. We should be cutting this cross for today. No trades. USD CAD next time. Let's see. You see the direction of the market overall sideways. अगर आप इसको देखें over here, sideways. I think this is even a cross for us today. अच्छा, best thing you guys should learn about trading that will जो आप लोग को बहुत फायदा देगा. The best thing that you guys can learn about trading is कि knowing when not to trade, because if you keep on trading all the time, even that's not good for you. क्योंकि आप, let's see on this USD CAD example, if you're trading USD CAD right now, I'm pretty sure कि आप यहाँ पे 6-8 4 trade 3 trades ले लोगे. Only reason is that because the market की कोई condition अभी कुछ straight डायरेक्शन है ही नहीं. जब मार्केट की स्ट्रेट डायरेक्शन कोई नहीं है, व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ ट्रेडिंग? आप सिर्फ गेसिंग कर सकते हो. यू कैन प्रेडिक्ट द मार्केट कैन गो डाउन एंड अप, जो कि बार बार गलत हो सकती है. इट्स मच बेटर कि ऐसी रेंजेस में कभी ट्रेड ना करो. व्हेन यू हैव अ वेरी वेरी लिमिटेड रेंजेस टू ट्रेड, ऑलवेज ट्रेड इन सम गुड रेंजेस. लेट्स से अगर हमारे पास कोई एग्जांपल आती है यूएसडी कैंडल फ्लॉप. सो आई थिंक ओवर हियर it's a very good direction so far. GBP USD के ऊपर we see a very clear bearish trend. Now this is के market अभी यहाँ पे consolidate कर रही है सही है. So I would see, yeah. So market is consolidating right now over here. What I'm thinking over here कि market is set up कि pounds थोड़ा सा आज के it's going strong a bit off, not all of the pound pairs but pound is a bit strong I would say overall today, because over there the last हमने Friday को देखा था that was right very weak, but today I think the pounds are getting back. I think it's the effect of the news overall. So yeah, I don't think so we have any good opportunity over here as well. That's it. Interesting. So CAD CHF is a bit interesting today. Nice. Nice. Very nice. So that's nice actually. You can see this is a very important zone in CAD CHF. And we see a break of structure, very clear break of structure on CAD CHF. And after the break of structure on the 1 hour time frame, you see this was a break of structure, come back again, retested this zone, and now I think we might have a good opportunity to trade here somewhere. Let's see. Let's see. So this is a zone which just broke out. The market just broke out. इस zone से market ने भी breakout किया, तो let's see what happens here. Maybe on 5 or 15 minute time frame we might see something interesting. So let's see what happens. CAD CHF, I see some CAD CHF going in a very good position right now actually. अभी हम ये 5 minute time frame पे हम CAD CHF. If we see some really good movement, I might enter. As this is the 1 hour zone, 1 hour zone, 30 minute zone, 15 minute zone. I think this is going to be a good opportunity for us today. And might take a trade here. Right now. This is a good opportunity actually. Maybe. Let's see. It did break out. It did, yeah. मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि जब मैं एंटर हो जाऊंगा. I'm not entering right, I'm just placing it right now. See, this is a very bad zone here, so I think we did break out. Next targets would be somewhere here. Like, this would be my next few targets if I take it right here. Someone else is asking, are you in this trade? No, I'm not in this trade. I'm just about to. Let's see. When we foreign trade start leaking, I'm pretty sure I'm getting into this trade right now. Even though the entry is big, but I would say I'm taking this trade right now. If anyone wants to enter, it's totally up to you guys. You guys can enter. That's all. I'm in this trade right now. Let's go. Let's see what happens. Maybe the market comes back again for the retest, but we'll see. We will see. We will see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Just a second, guys. I'll be back. Yes, guys. Back again. I hope if you guys can see this. Cat JPY. Well, I took one another position here. Here, this area. Here. I took one another position here. And I don't know. Just wait a minute. If anyone wants to share their idea, please share. We got some. So meanwhile you trade Chalvia, let's look at some other trades as well. If you can get some. Ah, we missed it. We missed USD CHF. Ah, that was a good trade. आप देखें अगर आप लोग सब देख सकते हैं maybe an hour 2 hours back when I came to my setup तो मैंने यहाँ पर आके अगर आप देखें you see over here I already picked out this area on USD CHF. This was a very important zone for me. Okay, तो मैं ये zone already note out करके रखा हुआ था मैंने. So I would be taking this if I see any good reaction I would take a sell over here. लेकिन if it is we didn't get any chance and we are out of it. तो एक और अच्छी चीज़ about trading that you guys should learn is this कि if you miss the opportunity understand that you have missed it, leave it. Do not try to hold it कि आप उसको hold करोगे और somehow you can get into the entry again. That's not gonna be a good option for you. So try not to do that. If you have missed some trade, leave it. You can छोड़ दें उसको. Try out to find some other trades और कहीं और trade कीजिए. इससे बेहतर है. Because if we just keep on going in this one, we may lose some good amount of money over here. आपने आई थिंक वो मिसाल सुनी है कि डोंट कैच अ फॉलिंग नाइफ. सिंपल. जब छुरी गिर रही हो तो आपको पकड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है उसको. वेट फॉर इट. वेट फॉर इट. इफ यू वेट इट्स गुड. You're gonna make a lot of good money in the near future. Guys, I wanted to show you this but it's not working right now today. My Dominion and my other account इसमें से इतना ही काम नहीं कर रहे on laptop and PCs. I have to get this thing sorted out. So inshallah, hopefully maybe in a day or 2 or 3, I'll get this thing sorted out so you guys will be able to see what I'm trading or not. But if you really want to see, I can show you guys because on the cell phone it's working fine, but on the laptop and PC कुछ मसला आ रहा है. I'm not sure what's the issue. But I'll get the issue resolved in a day or 2 inshallah. And yep, we'll see that. We will see that what's gonna happen then. Let's go. So let's be honest. Let's be honest. So you guys can see I'm in floating loss right now of almost $80 so far. I'm in a loss, but I think that's the part of this business. आप इतनी जल्दी अपना profit and loss analyze नहीं कर सकते. It takes some time to see exactly how long it's gonna take. So it's gonna take some time, but I'm pretty sure and solid that we're gonna hit some profits again. If not, then I think we're gonna close this day today with some losses and wind up. Simple. Nothing else to do. nothing else to do. Let's go and check out the trades that we are in right now. I think CAD JPY is about to touch over. CAD JPY is about to touch our break even. I took some partials here, and now we are about to hit our break even. This trade went into loss trade. Bad one. Although it did went to a profit, but I didn't take the profit. That's fine. I think there might be some still opportunity in CAD. I'm not sure. Let's see. Let's see if we can do anything about it. CAD CHF, what's up with you? Oh! It's too close. It was too close to the profits or loss. I'll hold. I'll still hold. Because what I'm thinking is that maybe there's chances the market come back here, we form a double pattern, double top, and then, you know, maybe, let's see. Because overall, the 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, I think we have a good confluences here. Because first of all, the 1 hour broke of that structure, and 4 hour even broke of that structure. और 4 hour जब structure को main, this was the main structure, ठीक है? Overall the main structure, this was our main structure. और इस main structure से market breakout हुई, and after that we see 30 minute. Sorry, 4 hours से breakout हुई, and then we see कि एक minor structure 1 hour में भी यहाँ पे form हुआ. You see this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me zoom in for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So almost 4 hours over here. Market mistake here. You see this, it broke out, come back again, retested the structure. Overall, this was the main structure before, and then break out of this structure. Maybe we are so too early in this trade, but still, even if it goes into my loss, I'm telling you, अगर ये trade मेरी still loss में भी जाती है, I'll still take another trade. Because overall, I know the direction of the market. CAD is weak, and overall CAD is weak on all other pairs. And if we see some good momentum, then maybe we can, stop out over here just because of the stop loss. मैं still दोबारा ये कि on the shorter time frame में अगर I see अगर ये यहाँ पे let's say अगर मैं यहाँ पे stop out हो भी जाता हूँ, I still see कि maybe market come back again and retest this area, or maybe fake out will give break back in, and then I'll take another trade. But let's see and wait कि पहले ये trade हमारी खत्म हो जाए. If this trade ends well, I don't think so we have to take another trade. As I said before to you guys, what I was thinking as my thought process, जो कि बहुत important है आप लोग को सीखने कि अगर आप लोग को thought process नहीं पता चलेगा trading का, then strategies is very very easy, कि मैं आपको strategies सिखा दूँ, ये pattern होता है, this होता है, ये होता है, market condition, everything is fine. लेकिन until unless आप क्या कह रहा था मैं, I forgot actually. Yeah. Patterns आपको आ जाते हैं, but the thought process behind it, psychology patterns behind it, आपको psychological आपको क्या सोचना होता है, so these all factors matters a lot. अगर ये चीज़ें आपको अपने mind में, you have to keep this in your mind if you want to really make money in trading. Either आप crypto trading कर रहे हो, आप stocks trading कर रहे हो, forex trading कर रहे हो, it doesn't matter, so thought process, it matters. अब आप ये देखिए on the 55 minute time frame, what I was thinking, if this happened, there is a good chance the market will go down. What is this scenario is that we see a double top pattern. So the double top is forming here, but we are not sure because जब तक ये candle close नहीं हो सकती, we are not sure about either it is a double top pattern or not. What is a double top pattern? It's very simple. Let's say market up directions, I can then show this M. In this top direction, अगर ऐसे M बनना, this is a double top. अगर ये opposite direction में बनता है, so this is a double bottom pattern, like this. W, if you see a W, that's a double bottom. So I was expecting a double top here, but didn't got a double top so far. That's it. Hmm. We are about to hit our stop loss. It is what it is, brothers. We cannot do anything about it. आज हमारा this is gonna be our second stop loss and just one take profit today, which is bad. Which is bad. Still, we are left with just 0.01 point. Stop loss is not triggered so far. Let's see. क्योंकि अगर अभी मैं यहाँ पे क्लोज कर देता हूँ, it makes no sense actually because we are almost about to, you know, just hit a stop loss. So what's the point of closing the trade right now? Let it be. If it's gonna close, if it's gonna hit a stop loss, that's fine. If not, then even that's fine. That's not gonna be fine. We're gonna be happy about it. Like I told you, the thought process overall behind this trade is that even if I hit the stop loss, I'll still wait for a good entry for this trade somewhere, maybe here, somewhere on this zone. Let's see. Let's wait for it. If you guys can see this trade, CAT CHF, this is CAT CHF. It's still running so far. Okay, हमारा stop loss अभी तक hit नहीं हुआ है, so we are just waiting. Maybe if we see a change of direction here, we might hit some profits. So let's wait for it and see what happens. Although आज का हमारा प्लान था कि आज हम 30 मिनट्स का सेशन करेंगे. We're not gonna be trading with you guys today live, but we are. Let's see. So this is a very bullish channel so far. Still, I would like to wait because I think sometimes what happens is market breakout करती है with a very good pressure, whatever जिस side पे भी आप trade कर रहे हो, and then it breaks back in. जैसे मैंने आपको पिछली trades में कुछ दिखाया कि how the market breaks back in certain scenarios, so you have to be careful. You know, sometimes जैसे मैं भी आपको बात करें कि मैं इस trade में दोबारा entry क्यों लूँगा, reason is that कि I know the overall direction of the market is bearish. Okay, there is a very less chance कि CAT CHF इस पॉइंट से बुलिश हो जाए और वो आसमानों पे चला जाए. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है, वेरी हो सकता है, बट इट्स वेरी लेस चांस. सो आपके बायस स्ट्रेट होना चाहिए. माय बायस इज सिंपल ऑन दिस CAT CHF. इट्स बेयरिश. सही है. सो मे बी होल्ड डे टुडे एंड टुमारो इवन आई सी कि आई एम जस्ट गोना बी टेकिंग सेल्स. पॉइंट इज कि मैं यहाँ पे बुलिश नहीं ट्रेड्स लेने लग जाऊंगा. पॉइंट इज दिस इज हाउ यू कंट्रोल योर psychology, how you work on it. Okay, you have to be patient about it. You have to be patient about it. Again, इसी जगह पे let's say if I see here this is a green candle coming up, bullish candle, and I take a buy over here, let's say, okay. So I don't know the exact direction. मैं तो सिर्फ एक I'm just guessing. So trading is not a game of guessing. You have to analyze, you have to anticipate the market, you have to understand what's happening in the market. सही है. Like over in this trade, I have multiple influence why I'm taking this trade. अब मकसद ये है कि I'm trading live with you guys, okay? Even if I lose this trade, मुझे बुरा नहीं लगेगा. Maybe आप लोग lose करोगे ये with this trade with me right now. You might have a bad feeling about it. I will not have any bad feeling or any bad impact on myself. Why? Because I have simple rules. I have simple plan which I follow all the day. It doesn't matter कि अगर मैं ये trade हार भी जाऊँगा, it's not gonna affect me actually because I have a risk management plan. I have a strong plan which I believe in and I follow that plan. So even if I lost this trade, I think that's fine because I have a plan which somehow will make me profitable in longer run. ठीक है? So you have to understand. आप लोगों को इन चीज़ों को समझना है, psychology facts को समझना है because psychology in this field matters a lot. So it matters a lot actually. So you have to be very open towards it and see what's happening. Yes. Which one? So I think the 5-minute candle closes with a rejection on the bottom side. Let's see. Although the signs are not good so far, because I wanted a very good bearish candle to be closed below this level. I was expecting कि market यहाँ से इस level पे at least ये जो candle थी ना, if you guys can see this candle, I was expecting कि ये candle यहाँ पर भी close होगी, so I would be very much relaxed. But still, that's fine. I would check. That is still fine. Let's keep it this way. CAT CHF still running so far. I haven't closed, as I told you guys, still running because we didn't touch the stop loss here. It's running. Let's see. अब अगर let's say somehow market comes back to this point, हमारी entry पे दोबारा आ जाएगी अगर market ना, तो मैं ये करूँगा कि अपना stop loss उठा के इसको I'll put it here somewhere. मैं इसको अपना stop loss कम कर दूँगा. Let's see what happens. Canadian dollar is weak actually today. So I have a feeling it will drop somehow. Maybe not right now. Some more correction, consolidation, and then it will drop. This is a correction right now so far. So that's it. then now we have a very bad situation because overall the market is not closing below this level so far. Still, let's see. Oh, this is bad now. This is bad. I didn't notice actually. कि 1 hour candle जो थी वो breakout हुई है and break back in हो चुकी है अभी यहाँ पर. And there's the 4 hour. Okay. 4 hour is good. Not bad. So far, 1 TP and 1 stop loss. In CAT JPY, we hit our stop loss and we took some partials as well on CAT yen. So we are waiting for CAT CHF. If CAT CHF hits a good profit for us today, I'll close up this trade because we'll be in good profits. If it touches like 1 or 2, because CAT JPY पे जो एक पोजीशन हमारी वो तो हमें स्टॉप लॉस हो चुका था. We are minus 1 hour for today, 1%, and CAT JPY की दूसरी पोजीशन थी that was what 1 hour as well. We took some partials over there. So around 0.7 we have covered, 0.3% we are still in loss. So what I'm expecting is कि अगर यहाँ से हमें अच्छा drop मिल जाता है, then and if it touches 1 to 2, I think we'll be up around 1.5% for today, and we'll call it a day. We will call it a day. Okay, I'm not saying like, but what I see from the market so far. Example, do you think this is a head and shoulder pattern? If you guys think this is a head and shoulder pattern, please let me know in the comments. And if this is a head and shoulder pattern, then what we should be expecting? We should be expecting a very good drop here. Okay, so we'll see if this is a head and shoulder pattern जो हमने अभी 1 minute time frame के ऊपर भी analyze किया. You see this maybe this is a double tap head and shoulder patterns for us, and if it is, then it should drop. But I think after this, after this, अगर ये head and shoulder pattern form हुआ है, so I would say after this zone it should break out and retest of this area. Otherwise, it will go up. Let's see. Now it's changing. The direction is changing. अगर इस जगह पे ये इस स्ट्रक्चर के नीचे ब्रेकआउट करती है, then I'm pretty sure कि फिर मार्केट का जो ओवरऑल मोमेंटम जो होगा वो बहुत एक अच्छी ड्रॉप करेगा यहाँ से. अगर ये इस लेवल के नीचे ब्रेक बैक नहीं करती है मार्केट, then only then. Otherwise, the direction is really out. It keeps going up. If it touches our stop loss right now, we're done. Guys, if we hit our stop loss here for CAT CHF, Yes, we hit our stop loss. Still, let's go back to UAE and what's happening here. I'll wait for some time now for cat CHF and see here early wage of India will come back on cat CHF because I think we will get some good opportunity here. Maybe not at the moment, but sometime. So what I'm expecting, what I think is this one. I think so. Okay, we might come back to this level again, retest, and then come back, and maybe shoot for this area. The next target will be this area. Let's see this. My bad. Something like this. Jordan Bank. 15 pips stop loss, and around 38 pips of profit. 1 to 2.5. This would be a good trade as well. So about this trade, I don't feel any bad about it because I think it was a very good structure breakout on the 1 hour time frame first of all, and I think the only mistake what I did is that maybe for waiting for this candle. But for me, I think I stick to my plan. This is a part of my plan that I really should be waiting for a 4 hour close, 1 hour close, and come back for a retest. And this was, I think, for a 15-minute candle, this was a very good retest on this one. And the 5 minute, if you see, very bearish pressure over here. And I think this was a good trade. But it is what it is. It happens. We cannot win every single day. We sometimes lose, we sometimes win. So it's a part of the game. We're not gonna make money every single day. Simple. So हमारी euro yen is going so far. Let's see what euro yen is going to do for us. What's happening in US is CHF? Dropping, 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 dropping. USG cat. Oh my god. So over here I'm thinking for an impulse entry on AUD USD. because we know that USD is not strong. USD is weak. You see, USD is very weak. Weak. Oh, yes. Very weak. So overall, USD is weak here. Sir, I'm not buying or selling anything on USD so far. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. अच्छा one more thing is just to clarify. मैं यहाँ पे as you guys have seen that कि हमारे अभी जो आज trading session के अंदर we hit 2 stop loss so far and 1 partials. Okay, so we are minus 1.3% right now. Yeah, we are minus 1.3% excluding our profits obviously. So we are minus 1.3%. So मेरा target, like I am targeting 2.5% here. So my targets would be कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे let's say if I hit this target, okay, and 1.3 is my loss figure so far for today, and this is 2.5. So we'll recover the losses and we will get the profit as well. Okay, so I'll share this trade with you guys once it ends, maybe in the tomorrow's session. But what I will be thinking of, I would be honest with you, कि मैं यहाँ पे एक wait ही करूँगा because this is very small range over here. So what I will be thinking is that I'll take some profits in, okay, put it in break even salmon, same as cat JPY, and then I'll target for these moves. Or maybe here. Let's see. With the PG is 2.5. 2.5. Yes, sir, 2.5. So I think this deal is a very good zone for Euro USD. But we need to see what's the condition of Euro so far. Is Euro strong? Is Euro weak? Euro is weak. Even USD is weak. That's the issue. It's not bad actually because this is a good area. This is a good thing. I'll see for some reactions right now. क्योंकि already हमारे पास एक reaction आ चुका था in the afternoon शाम दोपहर 4 बजे. So we see some reaction. और एक channel के अंदर ये चीज़ form हुई है. Let's wait for this trade. Maybe if we get some good entry over here. When it is happening actually. Let's see. Let's see. It's very hard actually क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखिए काफी मसला हो रहा है. Do you think we should be scalping here? It's a good range actually, 25 pips, not bad. So overall I'm bearish. As I told you कि अपनी bias आपकी देना चाहिए. अगर आपके bias clear नहीं है तो you'll be having a hard time to actually understand कि हमें यहाँ पे trade लेनी चाहिए. So my bias is very simple, it's bearish. I'm not looking for buys here or anywhere so far in Euro actually. क्योंकि Euro आज काफी weak भी है overall in the market, and if there is certain condition like that, so I think you should be only you should have a very clear direction, looking for some very good setups. I don't know what happened to Karachi today. No, I think it was a good entry, but that is what it is. Try to see. I think this is a good area actually. Or if it is around 1, 2, 3 touch trade, then we can recover good losses and very good profit actually. Let's see. I'll let you guys know if I'm about to enter this trade or not. We'll wait for cats usually so far. Oh, that's bad. I don't know, I feel like I should take it. Because for me, this was a clear breakout of all the structures. It violated all these structures, this structure, violated all the structures. But it did came back and started to show us higher highs and higher lows. But what I see here is that it is again breaking the structures. Now come back again for the retest. I think this should be a good trade. Let's say if we take a trade here and our targets are down here, it's 1 to 3 actually, not bad. So guys, what I will do is that I'll take a trade today in front of you guys and I'll share these stats with you tomorrow in our live session, hopefully. So, yeah, I think this would be it. Guys, I'm about to take the sells here. I'm taking the sells here for Euro USD. Guys, I took a sells on Euro USD and Euro Yen. So tomorrow, I'll see you guys at around 4 p.m. GTC plus 5 Karachi timing, and hopefully we'll continue the session tomorrow. And I'll share these all trades with you guys tomorrow, inshallah. So once again, for your reminders, we took a trade on CAD Yen today, which uh, hit our break even. Over here, this trade, we took our partials here and we hit our stop loss here. So, and CAD CHF, we hit our stop loss here as well. थोड़ा बहुत हम profit में गए थे and then afterwards we hit our stop loss. And Euro Yen, I'm still in this trade so far. I'll share these trades with you guys tomorrow. Euro yen. We are in trade in Euro yen, and we are in trade with Euro USD. We are selling Euro today, so let's see. I'll share these trades with you guys tomorrow, inshallah. Um, Take care of yourself. If you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe. Kare. If you like this live stream, if you want to be a part of this live stream, join our Instagram, follow us on Instagram, and text us over on Instagram. तो ये है कि you guys can join our Zoom sessions with us live on sessions and ask us questions and live start trading with us as well on daily basis. So please subscribe the channel, follow, and like, subscribe, bell icon also, and whatever you need. If you want to make money, stay in contact with us and learn this skill. Do not trade, jump ना करें trading के अंदर, crypto के अंदर, forex के अंदर, any market. If you have no clue what you're doing, do not jump in these markets. समझें, सीखें, and then jump on. Do not jump like this. पहले समझें, सीखें. Once you have experience, then go and touch the markets. Okay, guys, take care. Thank you so much, everyone who's on stream and who's not on stream, who's gonna see this live recording. So both of you guys, thank everyone. Thank you so much for your time. Hope to see you guys in the next